Okay, I want to try to fry some eggs up on my Pathfinder Alcohol Stove. Sunday morning. It's a cool morning. Not much of a breeze, so I don't know if I'm going to need my windscreen or not, but it's my Pathfinder and my Condor water bottle kit. Some alcohol. Pathfinder stainless steel alcohol stove. We need some alcohol. Alright. Alright, see if we get this thing lit. Get right up. Not much of a breeze, so I don't think I'm going to need the windscreen. Whoa. Grill stand. I got this little pan at Walmart a couple months ago. I haven't used it yet. Be good in my hunting and backpack. I don't know how good it's going to work. Put some oil on it. Now I'm going to let it heat up for a few minutes. Put my windscreen on it. Made a little bit better base for that pan. So it's hot. Right, there's the first egg. I actually put it on a little bit too soon. The pan wasn't hot enough, but it's getting there now. I'm going to make 2 eggs sandwich with cheese on it, so I'm break the middle open. Ah, there's the sound I like to hear. Frying. Get this egg done and then pop the other one on. Okay. Pretty non-stick. See if I can turn this thing. Oh yeah. I'll be quiet. Big guard dog right there. Let this one fry and then I'll pop the other one on. Throw these eggshells in the garden. little eggshell in there. More. I think this is to light my fire. Yeah, I didn't get the pan hot enough when I put the first egg in, but that was definitely hot enough. It's cooking good. I'll get back with you when I get ready to flip it. My old wood spatula, had for years. Headed out camping one time, see the corners of it. The raccoon stole it up out of the campsite and chewed the ends up on it. I found it out in the woods. It still works. Yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I flip it here. Looking nice. Well, these stoves aren't just for boiling water, that's for sure. Put a piece of processed cheese on it, that's all I got. Ooh. And put the other egg on top. And cook up for a little bit. Yeah, I'd say it's done. There it is. Nice quick breakfast. Pathfinder Alcohol Stove. And a little $2.99 Kmart skillet. Alright, just want to show you the fry eggs on it. Not only boil water, but it will fry eggs. Now to get the little sucker out. Talk to y'all later.